music channel in the Philippines, troops to the north for Mix Slam Jam 2011. The first stop, Bulacan State University, which was rocked by Grace Note, Juan, and Pala Lily.
Personally, sobrang astig. People were screaming. Ano, first time namin dito sa Bulacan State University. First time namin tumugtog sa Mix Slam Jam, and it was indeed a great experience.
Grabe, as in, kahit nadapa-dapa namin sa stage, wild sila eh. As in, hindi ko alam kung ba't sila gano'n, pero ang saya, ang saya.
They were very alive, very receptive. Punong-puno ng pag-ibig at yun na yun. So, we were very, very happy. Again, at the end of the day, tumutugtog kami, nagsusulat po kami ng kanta para sa audience. At natuwa kami na natuwa yung audience ulit ng Bulacan. They knew some of our songs. And for us, that's more than enough. Sarap na feeling dahil, alam mo yun, parang iba rin kasi yung spirito pag school eh. Pag school kasi parang magkakilala sila lahat. Break nila sa break nila sa mga quizzes, sa mga homework, sa mga kung ano man na nakaka-stress sa kanila dahil mga estudyante sila. So, masarap yung pakaramdam na nabigyan kami ng chance na pasayahin sila ngayon. Tapos, ang saya-saya pa, tapos may mga papel pa silang ginawa na may mga pangalan namin, alam mo yun, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. And it's always nice to, you know, share the stage with other good artists like Grace Note and Juan. Baliw yung mga taga-BSU, baliw na masaya na, baliw na ang sarap balik-balikan.
Meanwhile, Mix